All right, guys, in this video, we're going to fix this rear view mirror that fell down in the Buick. You can see where it was attached before. So the first thing we're going to do is you want to get you a 3M kit, local parts store, razor blade, some alcohol, a towel, and this on this Buick is a T20 Torx. So I'm going to go get that so I can remove this guy, which I didn't even have to go and get. It was already loose enough. So first thing we're going to do is get that. Took some tape, black electrical tape in this case, that I had laying around just to mark off the area to where this little guy went. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my razor blade and clean off the side that's going to go to the mirror really well. Probably take a Scotch-Brite pad to it too to rough it up. And then I'm going to get the rest of this old glue off there. And then after the old glue's off, I'm just going to take some alcohol on a paper towel and clean that area really good and clean this piece really good. Alright, so I got a piece of tape onto the back side so it'll hold it up there when I get ready. But what I did was put the cap on, thread it down, and squeeze until this thing turns green or blue. And then I put a coating all over this and a coating all over the windshield. So this is the activator. And what we're going to do, we have to give this 5 minutes to dry before we actually go ahead and put the glue on. So I've already got the glue staged. I got the top broke off in this, so it's ready to go on as soon as that dries. So let's give it 5 minutes and then we'll go to the next step. All right, guys, next thing we're gonna do is just put one drop right in the center of this, put it up to the window and kind of work it back and forth for a second to squash the glue out to around the sides, and then hold it for 1 minute in the place that we want it. So this is a good time to make sure that you get this on correctly. So as you can see, this is how your mirror goes. So it's gonna slide down on from narrow to large. So just make sure you get this on there right. Narrow to large. So narrow, large. And it tapers. So it's going to taper out. Remember, it's going to be inverted. So let's do this. Alright, I got it up there. Got it worked around like I said. Got it in place, lining it up with the edges the best I could. So we're going to let that dry now for a good 30 minutes. And then we'll come back, take the tape off, and I'll show you. Make sure it stays on. We'll work it a little bit, try to pull it, make sure everything's good. And then we'll slide the mirror back on and tighten it down and see the final result. I've done a check on it. It seems like everything is molded on there fine. Went ahead and removed the tape. So the next part is just to slide this guy on. You hear it clip on there. Now the next portion is we just got to tighten this down, tuck some wires back up in, and that job is finished. So please follow, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, let's keep building.